Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Therese. I'm a mama and a wife and a working mom. I'm in my kitchen today showing really a dirty kitchen. I'm not doing one of those clean and then clean before filming and all that stuff. This is real. This is my messy place. I didn't clean it last night. I love to cook, so after cooking, when I got home yesterday from work, I did not clean it because I knew I'm gonna clean. It's Saturday morning. Thank you for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe and watch me clean my kitchen. The first thing that I usually do is just pick up everything that's supposed to be trash, put in the trash, and pick up all the things and either put them in a cabinet or throw them away. And then from there, I'm going to put all the dishes into the dishwasher and start the dishwasher. And then after that, I'm going to wash all the pots and pans and the big items and then clean the counter, and that will be it. Like I said, thank you for stopping by. This is the cleaning and not a hair tutorial. I know my hair looks so crazy, but it's early in the morning. I wanted to clean and get this out of the way before I start getting ready to leave the house. So don't mind my crazy hair. I know it's crazy, but we're cleaning the kitchen. I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers and everybody that's watching my videos. Like I mentioned at the beginning, I am a mom and I do cleaning videos, cooking, mainly Congolese food. So if you enjoy cooking, after this video, you can go on my playlist and watch some cooking video. I just remember I had a bowl. I bought a bowl or a cup. I thought it was just a mug from Target. I love buying the $3 Target. I was just telling my daughter that I bought this cup, thinking that, oh yeah, it's nice. And then when I was ready to drink in it, I realized it says I meow you, and I was like, what? Is this some cat? Cat bowl or what for milk? So anyways, I was telling her that I need to read stuff because I do not read. Mostly I just grab stuff and put it in the cart. So she was just laughing. And she's like, yeah, you don't really read. Usually you just grab things, and I need to pay more attention. But I'm going to use the cup. I love drinking tea. I'll use that and not the bowl that says I meow you. So I don't really have a cat. I don't have a dog either, but we used to, but not anymore. So I'm going ahead and just cleaning the counter or the island. Usually when I do that, I just clean everything. I'll pick up everything, clothes and whatnot. That's the baby's bibs. They're just everywhere. And yeah, I like I say, being a mom and all that and not working, but I try to clean all this later on in the evening, but sometimes I'm just tired and I leave it for the next day. In this case, it got me a chance to clean up everything. This will be just the dishes, the counters. If you want to watch the floors and how I clean the floors, go ahead and watch another video. It's on my playlist on cleaning. I love to dance. I'm probably jamming to some music that we're listening to. We usually when I clean, I just love to put music and just it makes me feel happy and clean faster. Guys, try whenever you're down or anything, just try putting on some music and try dancing a little bit. Just checking the we got a gift from one of the person that take care of my baby. He brought stuff, little little shoes or little sandals from Mexico. So they're just so cute. And that mug that's right there on the counter, she brought that to me too. She gave me that cup that's on the counter. Um, yeah, it's nice to be drinking. I think I'll be drinking coffee in it. I think I can drink coffee, but it's just so nice. I'm gonna load up the dishes now and put everything in dishes. If you got in this far and you have not subscribed, please go ahead and do so. My name is Therese. I love to do cleaning videos. Not only just helps me just to keep clean, but it's just in a way it's one of the things that it's not my favorite to do. I mainly love cooking. Cleaning, I have to do it because not only a mom, but I love cooking, and there's a mess and somebody needs to do it, and I usually find ways to do it, and fun ways which would be music playing and me just cleaning. Thank you for stopping by. I sometimes wash dishes by hands, but in this case, I'm just putting them in the dishwasher. Then I wash. Then it will give me a chance to do other things. I mean, I have a dishwasher where I wash it by hands, but I usually do that. In this case, I'm just gonna load up the dishwasher, and then wash every other items, and then the counters, and that'll be it. But yeah, thank you. Continue watching, and please like the video. That will boost up my channel. That way, I will do some more videos, more cleaning videos, and yeah, just go ahead and comment if you like videos like this, if it helps you, if it motivate you, because I sometimes like watching more cleaning videos. It will motivate me to clean. Just looking at how other mamas do it, and yeah. So go ahead and like or comment down below. Now I'm putting all the utensils. I don't put the knives in there. I usually wash the knives by hands, and I just let them air dry. I don't like to put the knives in there just in case it can fall down. And but yeah, I don't know. I just don't. Do you mamas do it? Do you if you use the dishwasher, do you put the knives? The butter knives, yeah, I put them, but just like the big knives, do you put them in the dishwasher? I always just want to ask. So I'll let you guys watch and continue watching, and I'm just gonna put on some music. That way you can just listen instead of my voice. So I had to go all the way around, and on the other side, there was my other daughter sitting. She's always bringing stuff to eat over there, so that's what I was just trying to do before I start the dishwasher. Just picking up after where she sit down, and yeah. I'm going to start the dishwasher now and then finish cleaning up all the big plates and bowls and wipe the counters, and that'll be it. But thank you so much for watching and getting to this point. If you're not done so, please go ahead and subscribe and like the video and share. Please share. And yeah, I am also, I don't even think I mentioned that I'm also on TikTok. I like to do videos on TikTok, so I'll maybe put my name, or just you can search me by my whole full name, Therese Mundari. Maybe go ahead and see, and all the embarrassing dancing stuff I do. Well, I don't just do the dancing. I just do sometimes videos and just quick stuff. But yeah, I am actually working on something right now. So go check it out and see what I'm working on. I was just moving the rack from one side to the other. I just want to change stuff a little bit. I was just tired of having the same setup for my kitchen. So you see at the end what I mean. So I used to have a rack over there with the dishes, but I moved on the other side so I can put flour and sugar and stuff on that side, and I'm keeping it clean, and I'm just leaving it on that side. Yeah. We're almost at the end of our cleaning. I'm gonna wipe down the counters, and I'm gonna be done in a little bit. Thank you so much if you've gotten this far of my cleaning. Thank you for watching. Compared to how it was just a mess. I'm just showing you the real side of cleaning. You clean everything, not just what we usually show. You clean it and then you show you cleaning some stuff here and there, but no, this is full cleaning. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and like the video and go ahead and watch. I have another cleaning, like cleaning the floors and what I use to clean the floors. I rarely use the bleach to clean my stuff, but I'm just using method right there to clean all my counters. It's safer, and yeah, thank you so much for getting this far. I will see you later. Don't forget to like and subscribe.